largest city in India and the second largest city in the state of Maharashtra, is also known as its cultural capital. Pune has rapidly developed in the past few years. Pune continues to maintain the balance of its rich heritage and to be modern and evolving at the same time. The growth of the city has ushered certain good changes and has also increased some problems. Waste management is one of the most important urban problems that the city faces today. Every day, about 350 to 750 grams per person of waste is generated. This includes various things such as packaging material, plastic bags, bottles, the leftovers of fruit and vegetables, and so on. Every day, about 1600 to 1700 tons of waste is generated in Pune city. This includes largely waste generated in households, hotel waste, vegetable market waste, and other commercial waste. More than 160 tipper trucks, 23 trucks collecting hotel waste, more than 950 containers and more than 85 dumper places are utilized for daily transport and management of solid waste. The Pune Municipal Corporation has adopted a private-public partnership along with Swachh. Swachh is authorized by the Pune Municipal Corporation to provide door-to-door waste collection and other allied waste management services across 76 prabhags in 15 municipal administrative wards of the PMC. Almost 45 to 50% of waste is segregated at source and the number is growing every day. A user fee of 50 rupees per household per month is paid by the citizens to the waste pickers directly. More than 7,000 Swachh members collect segregated dry and wet garbage right from the citizens' doorsteps and deposit it at the designated PMC collection points. Every day, a Ghanta Gadi collects waste from every prabhag in the morning. Recyclables like paper, glass, metal and plastic are sorted and sent for recycling. The Swachh model has saved more than 15 crores per annum in waste handling costs. About 200 tons of wet waste is sent to Ajinkya Bioferd at Hadapsar every day. Here, the waste is treated with biosanitizer and left to decompose for 45 days. The decomposed material is again sorted for any mixed waste. The remaining biodegradable waste is then further treated to manufacture fertile compost manure. Separate systems for garden cutting and 9 shredder machines are fixed at various locations for garden waste processing. Coconuts, branches and other garden waste is shredded here. The material is then used for vermiculture. Every day, about 100 tons of wet waste from various sources is treated at Disha Waste Management to create rich vermiculture manure. About 700 tons per day of waste, which consists of plastic, cloth and other dry waste, is used at Rokem India plant using the pyrolysis gasification technology. Mixed waste is sorted and dehydrated in the dryer. Ferrous and non-ferrous waste is separated and pyrolysis takes place in a vacuum-enclosed gasifier to generate RDF. RDF is used as an alternative fuel for boilers and furnaces. There are more than 25 biogas plants all over Pune city that process about 60 to 70 tons of biodegradable waste every day. The biogas generated is used to light street lights in many parts of the city. 14 mechanical compost plants in the city generate manure from wet waste which is used for public garden. The Pune Municipal Corporation collects biomedical waste from hospitals, clinics and pathology labs across Pune. Pasco Environmental Solutions Private Limited treats the waste in a scientific manner and incinerates the waste efficiently. The dead animals and carcasses and the waste generated in the meat and fish market is treated separately at a facility that produces rich and fertile manure from the animal waste. Noble Exchange Environment Solutions Pune is developing a sustainable waste management complex in association with Adar Poonawalla City Cleanliness CSR project and the Pune Municipal Corporation. Noble Exchange processes 300 tons per day of food waste into compressed biogas or CBG, a renewable fuel that can be used to replace wide range of fossil fuels. The biodegradable waste management project will be the largest organic solid waste biogas plant in India, and 34,000 cubic meter CBG will be generated here, which will be used to run PMPL buses. This is an unique effort of using the resources generated in the city to be used for the needs of the city. Considering the rising amount of e-waste in the city, PMC has developed a model of e-waste collection with support of Swachh and GIZ. There is an e-waste collection center at Kothur. The open dumping at Urali Devachi and Fursungi, which was causing environmental damage and was a grave hazard to human lives, has been stopped completely. The dumping site is now scientifically closed and the capping process will soon be completed. The decentralized processing of waste in various parts of the city has led to saving the costs of collection, transportation, and disposal. This constant endeavor of waste management has made it possible to achieve the zero garbage target. Pune Municipal Corporation has adopted the IEC policy, that is, information, education, and communication, for generating awareness about waste segregation and waste management. The PMC has undertaken Swachh Sarvekshan to understand the current situation of sanitation services at ward or Prabhag level and identify the gaps in performance and reasons thereof. This will enable PMC and associated agencies to develop targeted interventions at the concerned areas. Awareness programs are conducted for city sanitation, cleanliness, and waste management. Various NGOs like Swachh, Janavani, Rotary International, the Lions Club, and various corporate houses have participated in this initiative along with the PMC. The citizens of Pune are encouraged to segregate waste at source, and their response is growing. The citizens are urged to reduce the creation of waste, utilize reusable material and not dispose it as waste, and to recycle paper, glass, metal, and plastic. Swachh Awards will be given to the best practices and innovations in the areas of hygiene and sanitation. The awards will be given in various categories after being judged by eminent panelists and awarded on the 2nd of October 2016, the Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti. With mandatory on-site disposal of solid waste in big townships and residential schemes, most now utilize methods like biogas, vermiculture, biosanitizers, and composting to treat wet waste at source. Strict laws are enforced regarding the disposal and treatment of waste. The Pune Municipal Corporation does not consider waste as a disposable material, but regards it as a valuable source of alternative energy and creating useful byproducts. Segregating waste at source to a large extent is the only solution to end the problems caused by growing waste of the city. A cleaner, greener city and happier citizens are the long-term benefits of waste management. Pune Municipal Corporation utilizes the best technologies and scientific methods for waste disposal, treatment, and the cleanliness and sanitation of the city. PMC is committed to implementing the best practices to achieve the target of zero garbage, saving energy and the environment for a better future.